The TicWatch E3 is one of the newest models from Smartwatch, which was released not that long ago. What this watch can do, how accurate the tracking is, and if it's worth your money, all of that you're gonna find out in this video. Hey, my name is Leonard and you're watching the product review. That's me. The TicWatch E3 is one heck of a smartwatch. You not only have a whole bunch of workouts, all-day heart rate monitoring and stress tracking, but you also have some pretty cool and useful features like NFC payments. Now folks, before we start with the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more smartwatch reviews. Also, click the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload new videos. That all will help me tremendously in the YouTube algorithm. Now, with that being out of the way, let's start with my first point on the list, which is the design and some specs. As you can see, we have a big 1.3-inch touch display with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixel. We have a smooth silicone strap with a quick release feature, so you can attach a new band whenever you want to. Also, the display tapers a little bit off towards the edges of the case, so you have no sharp edges, and that definitely feels smooth. Overall, this watch only weighs in at 32 grams because we only have a simple plastic case, and that really not makes the watch feel high quality if you want to compare it to the likes of a Garmin Venue 2, which I have right here. But anyways, we have built-in GPS, Baidu and GLONASS for all of our workouts, but we get to that later on in the video. Besides that, we of course have Bluetooth, it is IP68 waterproof, and we have NFC payments, so you never have to pull out your wallet again. Now the 1 GB of RAM and the Snapdragon 4100 are making this watch run super smoothly with no stuttering or lagging at all, even if you swipe to the next tile or open one of your apps. And with 8 GB of internal storage, you can download all kinds of apps, like for example Spotify for offline music listening. And now to all of the features this watch has to offer. So like I already said, you can download apps, you have 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, stress tracking, and a rather accurate sleep tracking, which tracks your deep sleep and light sleep, as well as your REM and wake time. And in addition, it tracks your blood oxygen level during the night. The special thing about a TicWatch E3 is that you can use features from TicWatch and from the Gen 5, like the different sport modes. I mean, I still don't know why you can use both of them since they are pretty similar, but anyways. By pushing the upper button, you get right to your app menu, and over here you have all of your exercises. You can also just give the lower button a tap, which takes you to the workouts as well, but this button is customizable, so it can be connected to any of your apps. Overall, we have 21 different sport modes like basketball and soccer, and the usual stuff like pool, swimming, cycling, running, or body mechanics, whatever that is. So you only get the stat numbers and you cannot do too much with the graphs, which is kind of unfortunate. Some other cool features are the on-wrist calls, but for that you will need your smartphone close to you, the weather widget, a translator, a voice memo, which can be useful to the one or other, and we have the Google Assistant. So you can either swipe to the right or press the upper button for a second, and you can ask the assistant to set a timer or just ask any questions you want. Swiping down on the screen takes you to the quick panel, swiping up takes you to the notifications, so you get notifications from WhatsApp, Instagram, emails, missed calls, and you even can reply to messages. You can either use one of the preset answers, write something, or use the speak to text feature. Swiping right takes you through your different tiles, which you can rearrange. You can add more tiles or kick some tiles out of the rotations. As for the accuracy, the TicWatch E3 is doing a good job. Now on a 4 km run, it was only off by like 100 meters as I was comparing it to the Garmin Venue 2, and it was only off by 1 beat for the maximum and the average heart rate. So overall, not a bad watch to track your fitness. Unfortunately, you cannot look at the running map in detail and only have a rough overview, but from the way it looks, the GPS seems about right. One big thing, which really isn't that great about the E3, is the battery life. On a normal day, it only lasts about a day, so you really have to treat this smartwatch like a smartphone and charge it every day, which only takes about an hour, which is really not half bad. But anyways, I have the always on display turned on. I only have the brightness set on 40 to 60%. I have the SpO2 tracking, stress tracking, heartbeat tracking, and just about everything you can turn on. And I do like a workout every day or every second day. And it only lasts about a day. In my opinion, for 200 euros, the E3 is actually a pretty good smartwatch, if you don't mind charging it every day. I mean, you have a whole bunch of different workouts to choose from, more than enough watch faces, and you have a decent accuracy in the tracking area. Now, since the TicWatch E3 has the same operating system as the Fossil Gen 5, they have a whole bunch of similarities. But don't worry, I got you. I will compare these two watches in another video. but I don't know when exactly, but I will do it. Now, folks, with that being said, that's already it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out tremendously. And with that being said, see you next time. Peace.